Letting it slide, understanding leniency in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's quite common but often misunderstood. I've let it slide. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these nuances can significantly enhance your fluency. So, let's break it down together. To let something slide means to intentionally ignore a mistake, offense, or something wrong, choosing not to take action or react to it. This phrase suggests a level of leniency or forgiveness, where the speaker decides not to address an issue that might normally require correction or attention. This phrase is used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Personal relationships. My friend was late again, but I let it slide because I knew she was going through a tough time. Workplace scenarios. He missed the deadline, but considering his recent efforts, I've decided to let it slide. Parenting. The kids made a mess during playtime. I usually insist on tidying up, but this time I let it slide. These examples show how the phrase can convey empathy, understanding, or a decision to prioritize certain values over strict adherence to rules. Understanding when to use this phrase requires a good grasp of context. Letting it slide is a discretionary action, influenced by the relationship between the people involved, the situation's nature, and cultural norms. It's important to be mindful of when it's appropriate to use this expression, as misuse could inadvertently convey negligence or lack of concern. Several phrases carry a meaning similar to let it slide, each with its own unique nuance. Turn a blind eye, often used to imply ignoring something intentionally, typically something more serious or illicit. Give someone a pass. This implies granting someone exemption from criticism or punishment that would normally apply. Overlook, a more formal term that means to ignore or disregard, often used in professional or literary contexts. Comparing these can help learners discern subtle differences in tone and context. We hope this exploration of "I've let it slide" has added a new layer to your understanding of English expressions. Remember, language is not just about rules and grammar. It's also about the nuanced ways we choose to communicate forgiveness, understanding, and leniency. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you navigate more intricacies of the English language in our upcoming videos. Happy learning!